back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'll be doing a project share. I am so excited about this. I found this SVG on Etsy and I purchased it from Paper Closet Designs. I have the link to the Etsy store, but oh my goodness, I am so pumped. I absolutely love this little box, and this is how I will be boxing up my embellishments. This makes a really cute gift, but if you're maybe organizing your embellishments and you have the space for it, you could customize it to match your craft room. If you're a nail tech and you want to organize maybe your Swarovski crystals, your glitter mixes, crafters, you can put your confetti mixes in here, you can put your embellishments in here. These make awesome party favors. Paper Closet Designs, when I found it on an Etsy shop, they had it filled with candy and a 4-leaf clover. I got rid of that and just kind of did my own thing in the Cricut design space. I cut this out with my Cricut maker, and I will say this much, I did have one issue. All of this scoring, I actually had to go in design space and change it from cut to score, and you'll see it because there'll be dotted lines. So if you're using this in Cricut design space, just be forewarned that you do have to actually ungroup the image and change the score lines from cut to actually score so that it won't cut on the score lines. All right, but outside of that, I didn't have any issues. I did tweak it a lot. There are some other pieces that gets cut out, so like there's some inlay pieces, I did not use them. I did cut them out, you know, I cut all the pieces out just to be on the safe side, but as you can see, you can still customize it with other pieces. And then there's little strips that gets cut out for the base, and again, I didn't use them because I like how this turned out. Now the circles do get cut out, so this can add for more embellishments. You can send to the recipient, or you can just use it as maybe like a tag. I didn't use them, but all of this is inside of these 2-ounce clear condiment cups. I buy these all the time. You can buy them in bulk from Sam's. And this is what the inside of it looks like, you guys. This is like the cutest little thing. I also have from them, there's a double, so it will look like this. I purchased that SVG, and a coffee cup with the holder for like the little mini coffee cups. That's a whole other video, I'll show you that. But you guys, let me show you what I did. So obviously I decided to embellish the top just to kind of hide it from whomever I decide to send this to. And this is a 1.5-inch scallop. It's a paper punch, and then a bow. Both are popped up on some foam. This one is on a foam square, and the little bow is on some foam circles. Okay, so look at all of the embellishments that fit in here, and I still have space. I did some pennant flags. I also did some bows, and these are all paper punches. I could have decided to do it with the Cricut machine, but I wanted to just see how much. Look at this. This is a 1/2-inch scallop circle, and I also did some small hearts. So this is a great assortment of embellishments to send to someone. I mean, there is a ton in here, okay? And I could still fit so much more. So the punches that I used, this is a Martha Stewart ribbon craft punch. I purchased this from Michael's years ago. I don't know if they still have it, but I'm sure if you look for it online, you can find it. I also used this 5/8 of an inch heart. All of these punches I purchased from Michael's over the course of the years, except for the last one I'm about to show you. This is the 1.5-inch scallop circle. I love this. This makes for some great tags. And then the last one that I used is this 1-inch pennant. And this I actually purchased from Tuesday Morning in a recent haul. So as you can see, you can just punch everything out and then you can embellish it with those same things. And I mean, there's so much that goes in here. And then the paper stack that I used is also from Michaels. It's called the lemon flower stack, and this is like really old. Let me see if I can flip through it for you. And the brand is DCWV. There's still so much more I can do to embellish this, like put a stone here on a heart. You could really layer this area up. You could write the recipient's name. I mean, you can really go all out. And the amount of different things you can put in here are absolutely endless. So when I make the other projects from the SVGs that I purchased, excuse me, from Paper Closet Designs, I'll be sure to share this with you all. And I am just like so ecstatic. I love this. It is like midnight and I'm up filming. But yeah, so I did make this with my Cricut maker. Just keep that one thing in mind if you purchase this SVG and are using it in Design Space, that you have to change the score lines to actual score lines, because you'll see it on the side, they'll say cut, and I actually had to do that for the others as well. Okay, so please be sure to comment, like, subscribe if you have not, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.